In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block unwanted company notifications on Glassdoor. If your inbox or phone is buzzing with alerts you don't need, this quick cleanup will help you stay focused on the updates that actually matter. Start by opening Glassdoor in your browser or on the mobile app and signing into your account. Use your usual login method and make sure you're on the correct account so your changes apply where you expect them to. Once you're in, you'll be able to adjust your notification preferences in just a minute. Head to your profile menu. On desktop, that's the profile icon near the top right. On mobile, it's typically in the bottom navigation or upper corner. Choose the option labeled Notification. Depending on your version, it may read Notifications or Notification Settings, but it takes you to the same place where all your alerts are controlled. Quick note before we continue. If you need the website link or want to install the app, I've placed the official Glassdoor website and app download links right at the top of the description so you can access them easily. In the notification settings, look for sections that refer to company-related updates. These may be labeled Followed Companies or Company Alerts. This is where Glassdoor groups notifications about organizations you've chosen to follow or track. If you don't see it immediately, scroll through the categories. It's usually grouped with job and email alert options. Now turn off the company notifications you no longer want. You'll see toggles or switches next to each company or category. Switch them off for any company that's sending you updates you don't need. You can be selective, keep notifications on for companies you care about and disable the rest, so you still receive helpful alerts without the noise. When you're done, save your settings. Some versions save automatically as soon as you flip a toggle, but if you see a save button, be sure to click it to confirm your changes. It's a good idea to wait a moment and double check that your toggles remain off, indicating the new preferences have been applied. And that's all it takes. You've successfully blocked unwanted company notifications on Glassdoor, and your alerts should now feel much more manageable. You can return to these settings anytime if your interests change, or you follow new companies. Thanks for watching.